Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get iPogo with All Store. This is probably going to be the easiest method to do. No jailbreak needed, no specific iOS firmware needed, just simple All Store. Okay, the first thing you need to do is get All Store. I'll have the video, my description, and it will be pinned in the top comment. So if you need to find a way to install it, that'll be the easiest method basically. You just go straight to the website, iPogo.app, and then right there it will say iPogo Apple iOS. That's what you need to click on. Once you load it in, scroll down to the side lowly method. For All Store, you will need the computer open with the All Store app open, so that's why it says computer required. Download the IPA. Should just be downloading over here. And downloading, just click downloads, click on the file, and then just click share. Click on All Store. Sure that you're either connected to your computer or laptop with a cable or connected over the same Wi-Fi. Alrighty, just will pop up. You can just click keep or remove, whichever one feels good to you. I'll just click on keep, and then the progress bar should just go along. It just pop up on active. It'll say Pokemon Go. It won't say iPogo or anything, just to look like it's authentic. And then just go to your home screen, click on the app, and it should just load in. Just like that. Easy. Here's all the joysticks, everything that you need basically. And then it's gonna say a date, just click whatever, 1993. And then that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe.